perfect practice makes man perfect. And our train time is very near. So I have to dive here. I'm a swimmer, okay, but now I'm bulky. But in my childhood, I was lean and thin, and I was a very good swimmer.
Okay.
If Liakat sir can practice every day, if Liakat sir goes in any new place, he can talk in English. So why not you? Life is once, so you have to enjoy it. So without English, you can't do anything successful in the world. Now I'm here. This is the what can I say? You can show the swimming pool here. Okay, this is Nur Jahan Grand Hotel in Sylhet. So after a few moments, I'm going to swim here. So I love the place very much, and it's a smoking zone. Though I don't smoke, smoking is harmful for health and body, and it's the cause of cancer also. So there is a nice place. You come, brother. Okay. So from here, you can pause. Okay, yourself. Suppose you are a speaker, you are a presenter. So my dear learners and followers, every day you must speak in English for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay. So if you talk every day about any topic, then you'll be a fluent speaker in English. So it's a matter of practice. Okay. So if you pass SSC, intermediate, honors or masters, that doesn't matter. Your practice matters. Practice makes a man perfect. Kothatao shotik na? Perfect practice makes a man perfect. If you practice in a wrong way, you can't reach to your destination. If you practice in the right way, you can reach to your destination. So this is the Hotel Nur Jahan Grand. Is in the heart of Sylhet city. It is called Darga Road, and here you can see that the shrine of Hazrat Shahjahan Rahmatullah Alai. আমরা জানি যে হযরত শাহজালাল রহমাতুল্লাহ মাজার এখানে আছে। সো একদম সামনে এখানে আমি সুইমিং করতে আসছি। সো আপনারা দেখবেন যে একটু পর আমি ইনশাআল্লাহ এই সুইমিং পুলে সুইম করতে যাচ্ছি। আই এম গোইং টু সুইম হিয়ার very soon in this swimming pool, and our train time is very near. We have only 1 hour time, so I can swim only for 15 minutes, I think. So as I am a YouTuber, and you know, as I'm yes, it's a nice place. So at night the place looks very beautiful because it's colorful, the huge lightings. So but it's early in the morning, I think it's not so beautiful at this moment. But what I'm doing, I'm practicing English to improve myself. If Liakat sir can speak every day, if Liakat sir can practice every day, if Liakat sir goes in any new place, he can talk in English. So why not you? So without English, you can't do anything successful in the world, either job or business. Okay, for your career, for your personal branding, for your business, for your job, you need English. Without English, you can't do anything. So we need fluency. If you want to very good speak in English, you have to focus on 4 things: fluency, pronunciation, correct pronunciation, vocabulary, I mean lexical words, grammatical range and accuracy. Thank you very much. So আমি এখন swim করতে যাচ্ছি. I'm going to swim right now. So I have to dive here. I don't know whether it is dangerous or not. Okay, so first time I have to check it. It's very risky to jump here. Okay, and it's not slippery, and the water is very clean, and our train is after 1 hour, so I have to finish everything within 10 minutes. So take this, brother. So no more sound. The backside swimming. Life is once, so you have to enjoy it. Swimming is a good exercise. It's good for health. It's good for health. It's good for health. Okay, you see, I can swim. Okay, dear brothers and sisters, in my childhood, I used to swim in the pond. Big ponds is called, dighi. I used to swim in the river. Even I used to swim in the ocean, Bay of Bengal in Cox's Bazar. I'm a swimmer, okay, but now I'm bulky. But in my childhood, I was lean and thin, and I was a very good swimmer.
Okay.
Okay, swimming is a very good exercise. It's a very good exercise.